Um, Good morning again to everybody, and I'm just going to say a few very brief remarks about Diane as an introduction because there's just so much and so little time to do the details. So uh, Diane has lived an amazingly creative life. Ever since she was very young, she's been involved in all kinds of creative arts, dance, music, writing poetry. But in time, her journey led her to discovering that there was a need to balance her life, this very active, outgoing life, with more of an inner spiritual life as well. And this decision led her ultimately to attending the Academy of Jewish Religion for 6 years, where she began to study and reconnect with her deep Jewish roots. And after 6 years of study, she became an ordained rabbi in the year 2006. It's hard to describe all that led up to this big decision. It's very rich, and perhaps maybe some of it will come out as she talks about the meaning of the text that she's provided for us this morning. So with that said, with that rich history of Diane's background and her turning to becoming a rabbi and a teacher and incorporating her creative life with her spiritual life, now I turn it over to you to share with everybody the text that you've chosen for us today, Diane.
Thank you, Libby. That was such a beautiful introduction, and I actually recognize myself in what you said. I don't know. As Aryeh puts the text up on the screen, I'm actually going to ask us to start the way I always start sessions of any kind, teaching, learning sessions, by asking you if you're comfortable to close your eyes and not look at the texts right away here, but to look inside yourself so that we can connect more strongly with ourselves and with each other on multiple levels and hear the texts perhaps from a different place.